Hello guys and welcome to my channel Crafting My Way. I did lose the first video clip of my footage on this, so please kind of like bear with me with this. I hate that I didn't realize I had missed it. Okay, and as I said, I lost the first part of my clip, the video. Um, Please bear with me on that one. Okay guys, and as I said, I lost footage on the beginning of my clip here. I got this basket from the Dollar Tree and the wood plank as well. I had the candle holder for Wild, which I did get that also from the Dollar Tree, and I painted everything black. And I was going to use the stove cover, the top of a stove cover. I do something different with that, and I lost the footage on that as well, but I will let you see at the end what I end up making with that. So here is upside down. The stove cover I don't care for, but I did paint it, and I figured I can get away with it because I will add later flour or whatever to it, so you will see how that come out with the flour added on it. And this is the finishing of my basket. It turned out really nice. I think I just added the flowers to this, and that was it. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for joining me. And this is what I did with the stovetop cover. You know, as I said, I lost footage on it, but it turned out really nice. I used the rope to go around, the jute twine to go around. I added a bowl and the little Sing coffee bar, and I think it turned out nice. Thank you.